If you're thinking about living in a van,
then this video's for you.
Hi, I'm Allie, and this is my husband Justin. We've been traveling in our self-converted Sprinter van for the past 7 months and have learned the pros and cons of living in a tiny space full-time. This lifestyle will surely push you out of your comfort zone, and we have been no exception.
the first con is mechanical problems are going to happen. We're constantly driving, which means things are always breaking. So it definitely comes in handy if you've got a little bit of mechanical experience, so you can at least try to do some of the small things yourself.
I love showering. I like smelling good, feeling fresh in the morning, but living in a van, that just doesn't always happen. As you can see, we have an outdoor shower, but the last thing I ever want to do is shower when it's cold out, when there's people around. And even gyms, they're just hard to find, so I mean, baby wipes work, but they just don't always do it.
Con number 3 is the climate. If it's really hot outside or it's really cold outside, it's gonna be the same in the van, if not worse. There's nothing I hate more than trying to go to bed and it's like 89, 90 degrees, super humid, you're just sweating, and there's nothing you can do about it. We've got vent fans and a heater, but they really only do so much. So ideally, we'd love to be outside all the time, but if you're trying to sleep or you're working or it's raining, you're just stuck dealing with it.
Speaking of being super hot, I'm roasting. Ugh. Storage is definitely short in a van. Whether you have a fixed bed or a convertible bed, you're still living in a van, so you just can't have as much stuff. For me, I would love to have more clothes. For Justin, he would like more toys like skateboards and stuff, but you just have to make sacrifices to travel full time, I guess.
There's a ton of luxuries that you can build into your van. Things that need electricity or running water or some kind of gas like propane. But if you're not super on top of all of those systems, you can lose all of it. We lived for months without a fridge because we didn't have good enough electricity. Right now we're living without water because we've got a water leak, so we can't store any water in our tank. We've had to go without gas because we ran out of propane. And it's just like a constant maintenance, man. Constant.
Can I have some? It's hot.
Another downside living in such a small space is that messes build up fast, so you're always going to be cleaning something. And when you're living full-time in a van, some of those jobs are kind of gross. Whether it's cleaning these super greasy fans off the roof or emptying out a toilet. And if you're the lucky one in a relationship who gets to do those jobs all the time, brace yourself. Ah. Woo! No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't actually stink until you open the toilet, but it's for effect.
Finally, if you're like me, you like to hide when you're upset, and, well, you're in a van, so there's not many hiding spots.
Oh!
Whoa! It's raining! I guess we're 30%. Back to the main program.
While van life has its cons, the pros far outweigh them. We get to travel to so many beautiful locations that we would never have found otherwise. From stunning off-grid locations to small cities with a lot to offer, the adventures have been endless.
Learning to live minimally has been a freeing experience for us and has given us the opportunity to find what happiness is really about. A slower paced life, sleeping in our own bed every night,
In never knowing where we will end up the next day, we wouldn't change a thing, and we would choose this lifestyle over and over again.
If you're out there considering full-time van life, we hope this video might help you out a little bit.
If you do have any questions about this lifestyle that maybe we didn't address, definitely leave a comment down below.
Yeah, if you liked the video, give it a giant thumbs up.
Smash that subscribe button because we upload new videos every single Sunday.
No, we'll see you then.
Bye! So today we have a high of 100% humidity and
obviously she doesn't know what she's talking about because weather people don't hold microphones like this. It's really the reporters who are out in the field. So we're coming to you live from the humidity of Missouri. We've got another one, folks. Another fatal case of Missouri humidity.
What the heck, clothes? It's supposed to fall out.
Birds and carrots, birds and carrots.
oh, you're so sweaty.
Come on, hug me.
No!